We all spend our lives finding meaning to our existence, our purpose. But are we able to find it? Nowadays internet is obsessed with that one penguin. It took just a penguin for a whole generation to understand life. People are seeing themselves in that penguin. लोग इसे द नाइलिस्ट पेंगुइन भी बोल रहे हैं. वर्नर हर्जॉग की एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री है जिसमें एक अजीब पेंगुइन दिखा है. जब पूरा झुंड समंदर की ओर खाना ढूंढने और सर्वाइवल ढूंढने जा रहा था, ये पेंगुइन थोड़ा रुकता है और पीछे की तरफ चलने लगता है. फिर पीछे मुड़कर एक और बार देखता है, जैसे कहना चाहता हो मैं इस भीड़ का हिस्सा नहीं, और सीधा लौट जाता है उन 70 किलोमीटर पहाड़ों की तरफ जहां सर्वाइवल के चांसेस ना के बराबर हैं. लेकिन उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग फॉर एन आंसर ऑफ दैट वाई. उसे पता था वहां जीने की उम्मीद ना के बराबर है, पर उसका ये डिसीजन किसी भीड़ का हिस्सा बनना नहीं बल्कि एक चॉइस थी. बट वाई इज एवरीबडी रिलेटिंग with this one penguin? Maybe because the penguin in us sees the human in him. He walks and the snow swallows his footprints almost immediately, as if he was never meant to be here at all. There's no food there, no mate, and no promise of survival. Only the vast, indifferent interior of the continent. Maybe this penguin has looked into the machinery of existence and found it empty. In Antarctica, nature reveals no mercy, no meaning, only repetition and endurance. To live is to struggle, and to struggle is to delay the inevitable. और शायद उस पेंगुइन को वो समझ आ गया था. He does not panic. He does not rush. He simply walks, as if choosing not to participate in the grand performance of survival. Perhaps the penguin is not confused. Perhaps he is the only one who is awake. साइंस की नज़रों से देखें तो हम उसे डिसोरिएंटेड कहेंगे, हम उसे कंफ्यूज्ड समझेंगे, लेकिन शायद उसे ही असली एग्जिस्टेंस का मतलब समझ आया हो. Others will eat, they will breed, they will repeat the cycle obediently. And one day they will die meaninglessly. This penguin has merely chosen a different path with same conclusion. Some incidents did something inside us about our existence. But maybe life is like this. Maybe it is meant to be like this. Finding meaning of our existence until the last day. Nothing is wrong and nothing is right. Maybe you can choose walking towards the ocean with others or towards the mountain all alone. Until then, live gently.